Champs, let us prepare ourselves for war. I know it's a hard word to say in these times, but we prepare now to fight against ourselves, against losing, against poverty. We stop now to disappoint ourselves. There is an important psychology behind this. The more you're telling yourself you're going to do this and that, and you don't actually do it, your subconscious starts to lose respect for yourself, and when that happens, your self-belief drops. Then you start to procrastinate, question your actions, which leads to fear of failure, and that leads to not doing anything at all. For the next 12 weeks, I am 100% committed to success, and I ask you to do the same. Why do we do 12 weeks? 12 weeks is enough time to make measurable and significant progress. Anything below might be too short, but anything above is too far away for the human brain. We go through 3 main steps. First, we choose our main pillars that we want to improve. For me, a gym, e-commerce and YouTube. It's hard for me to be specific about numbers because I can't influence how many people will subscribe me. Same for you, you can't really influence how much revenue your store is gonna make. What I mean, you cannot influence the result, or you should not focus at the result. You should focus on the daily activities that will eventually lead to that result. That is what you can influence. The second step is a psychological one. Before we move on to a practical step, we need to program our mind for success. To do this, turn everything off and stare at the white wall for 30 minutes. No phone, no music, no distractions. Now you imagine yourself in 12 weeks from now. What will it feel to achieve these goals? To become significantly better in those areas? How will it affect your character? More self-confidence, more self-belief? Or simply more respect from others? And how will it change your life when you hit your first 100, 200, 300k in revenue? When you take home 20, 40, 60k, what will you do with that money? Will you make a dream come true? Will you give something back to your parents? The third step is to break down your main pillar goals into daily activities. What do you need to do every day to get better in these areas? Let me give you my daily activities. I need to improve my language, so I will read a chapter out loud and do 2 lessons on an app called Duolingo. I need to be successful in my actual e-commerce business and with my clients so I can make videos about it. I need to upload 3 to 5 videos a week. I need to watch my diet because I want to go down to 10% body fat and have veins all over my body. I need to go to the gym 5-6 times a week. I need to do Muay Thai 2-3 times a week. And I can break that down into smaller activities. But to sum it up, you get the point. The last step is to prepare your environment for this phase. It's 12 weeks of just you and your goals. You need to make yourself a priority. Tell your loved ones you need to focus the next 12 weeks just on you. Less Netflix and chill, less partying, less distractions. Bro, just focus. It's okay to take some time out. In fact, it's needed. Replenish your energy. I have just one simple rule for the next 12 weeks that will keep me on track. Don't skip your daily activities for more than 2 days. 1 day is okay, 2 days not. This simple 2-day rule. And you need a peer system, a support system, a loyal brotherhood. When you hit rock bottom, you need someone to catch you like a parachute. And not somebody that says, hey bro, let's just party and forget about it. Someone that asks the right questions that get you back on track. I have exactly this with my brother Jacob, and it helps a lot. You need a real brotherhood. If you don't have anybody, just hit me up. Champs, let's make us these 12 weeks count, and it will make a significant difference in our life. Let's make the impossible possible. Let's make dreams come true. And I will also prepare a free Notion template that makes sure that we achieve our goals. That's it for today. I will keep you updated, and if you really watched till here, I really appreciate you, bro.